Welcome to my full review of the Payday Loan Store's Credit Builder tools. Today, I'm taking a closer look at how this service works for users looking to improve their credit score. The Payday Loan Store is primarily known for payday loans, but they also offer credit building tools to help you raise your credit score over time. Let's start by navigating through the website. The layout is simple, with easy access to the different services offered. You can clearly see options for payday loans, but right here, we're focusing on the credit builder. The website promises to help users build credit by reporting your payments to the credit bureaus, which can positively affect your credit score. When you start, you'll be asked to create an account. This is where you'll input your basic information. Once logged in, you'll have access to their credit builder programs, which could be either a secured loan or a line of credit depending on what works best for you. If you're unsure which one to pick, there are guides available to help you decide. One thing that stands out about the Payday Loan Store is how transparent they are with their terms and fees. Everything is clearly laid out, so you know exactly what to expect in terms of interest rates, repayment terms, and what your obligations are. This transparency is a huge plus, especially if you're using this service to improve your credit for the long term. The Credit Builder service reports to all three major credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. This is crucial because it ensures that any positive payment history you build is reflected on your credit report, potentially boosting your credit score over time. Another feature I like is that they offer educational resources about managing debt and improving your credit score. These resources help users make informed decisions about their financial habits and long-term goals. However, as with any service, there are pros and cons. One downside of the Payday Loan Store's Credit Builder is that you'll likely need to make regular payments. This can be challenging for people on tight budgets. Additionally, the interest rates on payday loans can be higher compared to other traditional loan options, so it's important to weigh the factor when deciding whether this is the right option for you. Overall, the Payday Loan Store offers a useful service for those looking to build their credit, especially if you're just starting and need a manageable way to improve your score. It's not the perfect fit for everyone, but it could be worth considering if you're in need of credit repair or looking to get your financial situation on track. Thanks for watching this in-depth review. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more reviews and tips on personal finance.